Hi everyone, welcome back to Cody'sLab. So as you can see here are my fish. You may have seen these in the background of several of my other videos. These are actually the same fish that I used in my Hydroponics series from a few years ago. And as you can tell, they are quite large. Now the reason why they're in this tank here, and this is a pretty small tank for the size of fish, but they were only supposed to be here temporarily because their pond was getting moved and destroyed because we were taking the greenhouse and putting the turkeys in it for the winter. And well, the turkeys are still there, and so the fish are still here. But I do hope to get these fish moved back into a larger pond very soon. But anyway, since these are my hydroponic fish, I thought I'd set up a little system around them just to make use of what I've got here. At some point I may actually, when I move these fish out, put some smaller fish in here and leave this all set up. So first of all is my automatic feeder. You can see I just got that, so I've got it so it automatically drops food in there a few times a day, so I don't have to keep remembering to feed them. Just give them a little extra there. So I got a little pump here, which is pumping the water up and around. This is a pump, it's rated for continuous duty, and you can see it's only halfway down the tank. That way if there's a leak somewhere, I only lose half the tank of water and I don't kill the fish and I don't completely flood everything. So I'll go up here. There's a sock. It's my little particulate filter. That's to get the particles, first pass. And as you can see, there are two grow beds that the water spills into. This top one up here, I've got some lettuce growing along with some seedlings. And the water flows into this gravel here. And the gravel, of course, is growing bacteria in it, which helps break down ammonia in the water, converting it to nitrates, and the nitrates, of course, is what the plants absorb and use. So that water is going down through here into the second bed, which is basically the same thing, slightly different plants. This is spinach, a little bit of lettuce, celery over there, and strawberry plant. Yep. There's probably not enough room for all these plants, but the strawberries, for instance, I think I'm actually going to be moving outside soon. So yeah, it goes down there into the tank. And as you can see, the way I've got it set up, it pulls a lot of air down with it, so it helps aerate the tank. And the water right now is very clear. The system actually works rather well. Anyway, so that's a little update. I definitely want to do some more work on the hydroponic systems this year. The greenhouse, once we get the turkeys out, I'm going to probably cover the entire thing with buckets and basically scale up the system that I had because it worked really well. And also I'll probably do something here in this house that I'm renting. Probably along the side of the garage I'll set up a bunch of buckets as well. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Next time I do this, I'm having the tank outside the greenhouse. It's taking up too much space and I really don't want to have it down on the floor where it picks up dirt and stuff. Just tearing this apart. I think I'm going to reuse the buckets. I'm just going to lay them out differently than how I had them.